eat. Come on, everybody, here we go. Carrots are orange, just like candy corn. Mama says carrots are good for my eyes, but I don't want to put carrots in my eyes.
Hey, Rye, you going no hands? Do no hands.
Tastes just like apple on a stick. Without the stick? Ha!
Look back, bro. Great. You gonna go no hands?
Oh my goodness, this is such a sweet and juicy watermelon. There's a fork in the road. Which way to go?
Watermelon juice.
Oh, it smells so yummy in here. And it tastes so yummy too. Here's my pounding apple cracker. You can't hide from Heimlich. I'm so glad I left room for dessert.
That smells
goody,
good.
goody. Oh, there's
Animal
so
cracker?
many
Yeah.
goodies. Treats and sweets are my favorite things to eat. Oh, all of this chewing has made me full. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, my favorite candy corn. I must be hiding candy. Oh, look at that unicorn. Candy corn there. Oh, I'm so full. I cannot go one more step. Please, everybody, to stay seated while I stop and take a little break and digest all this food. I'll be back on my way in just a moment.
Please remain seated with all hands, arms, legs inside of Heimlich until he comes to a complete stop. Thank you.
So I can go back for seconds. Goodbye, my friends. Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. Come back again and visit me. Remember to eat your fruits and vegetables.